Hi everyone, welcome to the Educon Community. And now I will solve and discuss the reverse array in groups. This problem. This is also a very common problem for the interviews. Okay, for the HD roles or any fresher graduate engineering roles. So okay, so the problem is what. So here given an array of positive integers of size n, and you have to reverse every subarray group of size k. Okay. So here n is 5 and k is 3. So here the size of the array is 5 and the group is given as 3. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here 3 is given, means you have to take this 3, then you will reverse it, so it will come as 3, 2, 1. Okay. And these also something not is there, but after that this will form a group. So after this will become, means after reversing it, this is 5, 4. Okay. So this is the problem statement. I think it's clear to you. Okay. So here the expected time complexity order of n and the space also order of n. Okay, great. So here the means it's the solution class is given here, and next here defined a method which is the reverse in groups that takes three arguments. Okay, an array list of integers, r, an integer n, and an integer k. And here you know that n is the size of the array and k is the means the group, means the group number. You can say the subarray group of size, which is k. Okay. So here I have started a for loop. Okay, that iterates over the elements of the array, means r. Okay, and in the groups of size k. So I have after that I have initialized an integer variable left to the current index. Okay, so int left equals to I here. So after that, to handle the case when k is not multiple of n. So for this, what I have done like int right equals to math dot min, and here I have comparing the minimum between the I plus k minus 1 and n minus 1. So here initialize an integer variable, right? Okay, to the minimum of the current index plus k minus 1 and n minus 1. Okay, so after that I have just initialized an integer variable which is temp. Okay, so after that, to reverse the subarray, means left and right. So what I have done, I have checked like while left is less than right on. So in the while loop, means I'm doing like left until left less than right. So here temp equals to array dot get left. So here I have assigned the value of at left index to temp. Okay. Then I have set like here assign the value at right index to the left. Okay. So that I have set that left comma array dot get right. Okay. After that, what I've done, add dot set equals to right comma means add dot set right comma temp. So here I have assigned the value of temp at right. After that, I have just incremented the left index, and also after that I have decremented the right index. So through which I have just reversing group wise in the array. I think it's clear to you. So any doubt, if you will have any doubt, then just comment below. Thanks for watching, and do like, share and subscribe.